I, why? So all I did was somebody sent me a friend request. I declined it. I'm just gonna see in the chat real quick. Oh, that was interesting. I kinda got mad and shook the phone, so I had to start another recording. Oh well, I could just merge it. Do not. Okay, never mind. Okay, I thought they were gonna. That person just died. That person died too. That's my taunt? Really? Taunting. Oh, wait. Extended vent. Oh no, I remember this level. Oh god. Oh well. The match is starting. Okay, I will. Okay, I'm good. Jumping. Okay. Okay. Come on. Oh yeah, that is my taunt. Okay. Here we go again. Press that. Over here. Oh, okay. Press the button to not die. Oh, see? I'm a pro gamer. Okay. This is hard. Not really. After this, I'm gonna have to solve a puzzle that I just have to guess. Because there is still things trying to get me. Wait, what? Where'd I go? What do you want me to do, game? Did you expect me to do all teamwork? Because I can. Oh, I had to go over there. Oh, I guess it's just me and these two people. Okay, you don't have to tell me all the time. I'm not dumb. It's literally common sense. Alright, thank you, buddy. Thank you. You served well to America. I think, okay, there. Yeah. Okay, good. We're good. We won't be good in a bit, but yeah, sure, let's see this one later. I don't know why they make those jumps. They kind of sweep you off a bit. Please nobody trash talk me in the comments. There we go. Okay, finally, good. We have more people here. Can you just, thank you. Yes, cool. We got a full squad. And one person's going to survive, I hope. I guess, I mean. I'm listening to car sounds right now. No, not the ASMR, but just car sounds. Not the ones Nico made, but just car sounds. This is what I meant. You're probably gonna be in the comments. Oh, you let everyone else do the work, but you didn't. Okay, I should finish this again. Okay. Fast. They really haven't updated this game much. Oh my god. I'm gonna break my controller, which is my phone. What the heck? Something's getting lifted. I won't stop recording till I get a win. I won't stop. Jump. I don't know why I had to repeat my actions. Okay. And there. Okay, I got to go here and here. Okay, there we go. Because then I'm gonna get a quick crash on that. Alright, I think everyone survived. Hope everyone survived. That was my leg popping. You probably didn't hear, but hopefully you didn't. Somebody get that. Oh my god. Okay, fine, I'll get it. Somebody go get it. Oh my god. You have a gravity coil. It's not that difficult. Good, you died. You deserve that. Not you. Not. Oh god. Auto jump. Auto jump always gets me. Literally, all I did, I was gonna jump good, but then mobile auto jumps suck. Oh, here we go again. Okay, tall start. I thought I said tall start. I'm like, what? You can't be that dumb. There was just a button there. You actually can't be that dumb. Okay, thank you. Again with this map. Okay, gotta get this fast. Oh my god. They're trying to make me do everything. That's just sad. They want me to do everything. Okay. Yeet. Touch. Yeet. Okay, there we go. I don't know why I wait for her. Well, I have to, or else. Okay. I remember my mistake from the other time. I'm gonna keep on doing this. Touch that. Rosie, you have to help. Let me just look over here. good. Ooh. Playable music extras. Wait, gravity coil. Oh, 12 wins. Oh, that's. What's that? I'm like, wait, 12 blood coins. Oh, that's. And then I saw the wins. I'm like, oh, okay. Never mind. My hopes are crushed. No, don't stop. Stop moving by yourself. No. Note to self, never follow someone that's going to get a button. I'm going to say Dahlia and yeah. Follow and don't follow. That's your new advice for today. Stop sniffing me, that's weird. You know what, I think I'm just gonna keep this, just this recording, unlike the other one, because this one's actually good. Well, better. I won't say good, as in I'm doing a good job at this. Wait, what? What? You what? No! What do you want me to do, game? I seriously can't do nothing about it. What? Alright, I'm the last one alive. Everyone else died. Oh god. This is the last floor. Ooh, okay. Whoa. I got stuck in the floor. Alright. No, let's not panic. I will get this one. What music should I put for this? What's up? Something. Touch it. Jeez, idiot. Someone's gonna have to go there. Get. Oh my god. Well, that went well. Alright. Oh, okay. Okay, this one's kind of easy. Okay. Wait, no, this one's really easy. Easy mode. Okay. Yes. I swear you win because of us. I just heard someone die. I did not enjoy that. Less human sacrifices for me. Okay. Yeet. I feel this. I feel this is gonna be the one. The one round I win. Okay. Okay, come on, Robloxing, come on, Rosie. Both of you. Oh god. I feel like Rosie's going back. Yep. Storage management. I think I've played it in the past, but I don't remember playing it today. understand why. I need other people to help me because me alone is just hard. Am I seriously gonna be alone this whole round? Let's see. Am I gonna be alone again? Never mind, those are weird. You want me to carry her again? Wait. Alright. Okay. This is the last. Okay. Whoop. Okay, now I have to solve thingy over here. Okay. Shit. Oh, crap. Oh, oh. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Are you proud of me? Please leave a like and subscribe. I need it. And I'm sorry for not uploading. Just, what should be a good thumbnail? I'm guessing this. Wait, whoop. Thank you for watching.